Good evening everyone. My name is Shreya Gupta. I am Associate Legal Executive in Haryana Real Estate Regulatory Authority. Today in this video I will be discussing affordable housing in the state of Haryana. My presentation is divided into three parts. Firstly, the rapid pace of urbanization. Secondly, the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. And thirdly, the affordable housing policy for the state of Haryana. Coming to the first part, in terms of the rapid pace of urbanization. As per the 1901 census, the urban population was at the rate of 11.4%. It increased to 28% as per the 2001 census. And then in the 2011 census, it was about 31% of the population was in urban areas. It is estimated that 60% of the population will be settled in urban areas by 2050. This is important for policymakers to note so that they can ensure that the pace of infrastructure development is commensurate with the growth of population in urban areas. Next, India's housing deficit is considered to be 19 million units at the present. If there are no meaningful interventions which take place at this point of time, it will be 38 million units by 2030. And therefore, 95% of this deficit is faced by the economically weaker sections and by the lower income groups. And this deficit, if this deficit is not addressed, it will lead to proliferation of unsustainable and unplanned growth, and unsustainable and unplanned urbanization, and people in such kind of urban settlements will face a lack of basic services such as water, sanitation, insufficient spaces, lack of durable housing, which in turn can cause problems such as disease, social exclusion and violence. Keeping all this in mind, I come to my second point of my presentation, which is it was the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. It was launched by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation in the year 2015. It is launched in mission mode. It has two components. One is the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, which is the urban program, and the next is the Grameen program. The aim of the urban program is to address the housing requirement of the urban poor and it has various verticals, including creation of affordable housing for the weaker sections through the credit-linked subsidy scheme. Now, as per this scheme, the banks will award housing loan to these sections at comparatively lower rates of interest, and even their loan tenure is for 20 years, which is a significant period of time, giving them sufficient time to repay their loans to service their interest requirements, which is already at a very lower rate of interest. Next, I come to the affordable housing policy for the state of Haryana. This policy is also under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. In this policy, people can avail loan up to 90% and interest subsidy of up to 2.67 lakhs on the principal amount. This policy is promoted to make low cost housing accessible to low income, middle income groups and the economically weaker sections. The price at which the flats can be sold is 4,000 per square feet in the city of Gurgaon, and in the smaller towns it is 3,600 per square feet. Houses under this policy are allotted and on the basis of draw of lots, which is conducted under the supervision of government authorities. Preference is given to those people who have not been allotted any unit in the licensed area. Such projects have to be compliant with all RERA related approvals and all building plans, and therefore, and to ensure timely completion of these projects, it has been introduced by way of 2018 amendment to the Specific Relief Act that no injunction would be granted which would cause impediment in the completion of or in the progress of these projects, and therefore through these policies the government has tried to create an enabling and a conducive ecosystem in which affordable housing can thrive in the state of Haryana. Thank you.